founded out of a shared interest. So what gets people out of bed in the morning onto that Discord? What makes them want to vote, delegate, put the time out?
And the Cayman Foundation often comes out as the popular choice.
Why is the Caymans a popular choice for DAOs?
How we bring the right talent in, how we create the right formats just for boys and girls to play rugby wherever they are without boundaries.
Generally, I just think the idea of making physical collectibles digital, I think it's a strong movement, and I can see that really taking off in the next couple of years, really.
We incentivise the bridging of about 25 million carbon credits.
To my own expertise, I think buying or making investments in the real world asset can be a good use case for DAO.